How do you get watch time if nobody watches your videos to the end? Increasing watch time on your videos can be a challenge, especially if viewers are not watching your content until the end. Here are some strategies to improve your watch time. Create compelling content. Ensure your content is engaging, informative, and entertaining from the beginning to the end. Understand your target audience and create content that caters to their interests. Optimize thumbnails and titles. Use eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles to attract viewers. Make sure your thumbnails and titles accurately represent the content of your video to set proper expectations. Improve video quality. Invest in good video and audio equipment to improve the overall quality of your videos. High-quality production can enhance the viewer experience and encourage them to watch your videos for a more extended period. Keep introductions brief. Grab viewers' attention quickly by getting to the main content without lengthy introductions. Ensure your videos have a hook within the first few seconds to keep viewers interested. Use annotations or cards. Encourage viewers to watch other videos on your channel by using annotations or cards that link to related content. This can help create a playlist or guide viewers to additional content they may find interesting. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists based on themes or topics. Playlists can keep viewers engaged by offering a seamless transition from one video to the next. Promote viewer interaction. Ask questions, encourage comments, and create a community around your videos. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a sense of community. Experiment with video length. Analyze your analytics to see if there's an ideal video length for your audience. Experiment with different video lengths to find the right balance between delivering content and maintaining viewer interest. Use end screens and annotations. Utilize end screens to promote other videos or playlists. Encourage viewers to watch more of your content by providing clickable links at the end of each video. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, or other platforms to increase visibility. Collaborate with other content creators to cross-promote each other's videos. Remember, improving watch time is an ongoing process, and it may take time to see results. Consistently monitor your analytics, gather feedback, and adjust your content strategy accordingly.